Sure. I can help you with IELTS Writing Task 2. Here's a brief guide on how to approach the task. Task description. IELTS Writing Task 2 is an essay writing task in which you will be presented with a topic and asked to write an essay of at least 250 words in response. You will have 40 minutes to complete the task. Task response. Make sure you read and understand the task prompt carefully. Pay attention to the task question and make sure you answer it fully. Address all aspects of the task prompt in your essay. Essay structure. Your essay should have a clear structure with an introduction, body paragraphs and a conclusion. Your introduction should introduce the topic and provide some background information. Your thesis statement should be included at the end of your introduction. Body paragraphs. The body of your essay should contain 2 or 3 paragraphs. Each paragraph should focus on a single idea or point. Provide evidence, examples or facts to support your argument. Make sure your paragraphs flow logically and are well structured. Conclusion. In your conclusion, restate your thesis statement and summarize your main points. Avoid introducing any new information or arguments in your conclusion. Language and grammar. Make sure you use a range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. Avoid repeating the same words or phrases. Use appropriate linking words to connect your ideas and make your essay cohesive. Time management. Make sure you manage your time effectively. Allocate around 5 to 10 minutes for planning, 25 to 30 minutes for writing and 5 to 10 minutes for proofreading. Some tips to improve your IELTS Writing Task 2 score. Practice writing essays regularly. Read sample essays and analyze their structure and language use. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation and spelling. Use a variety of sentence structures and vocabulary. Write clearly and concisely. Use examples and evidence to support your arguments. I hope this helps. Good luck with your IELTS Writing Task 2.